this hydroelectric power plant that has transformed the lives of many in Mathioya constituency.
This is the River Gondo. This is where I decided to build the water intake. But after we collect the water intake, because what we require it is the pressure of the water. Then to go through the pipe direct to the turbine.
The turbines in the powerhouse, he says, convert the kinetic energy of falling water from the waterfalls into mechanical energy, which is in turn converted into electrical energy by the generator he has since gotten from well-wishers.
The work of the water, it is only to rotate the turbine.
Or the turbines in this?
The turbine is inside the powerhouse. Right. After that, the turbine is rotated. It rotates the knob of the alternator, the big alternator, which is now producing about 650 kilowatt. After it generates the power, we then use the step-up transformer, which produces about 1100 kilowatt. Then we step down for the domestic use, that is a 415 watt. Okay. Yeah. All right. And then the water, it go back to the river.
After getting the go-ahead from the Kenya Energy Regulatory Commission, he has been able to supply this power to over 400 households in his community and at an affordable price. The first beneficiary of his project, though, was his mother, who had to sell bananas to see him through secondary school.
Riria thire uguo agokaga kohithania twaya rimwe ni ndakorire twaya twohithanitio kuma rũĩ akarehe mucii twaya twari tuceke muno ngiona gwako gwina thitima ngiuria Ngai thitima ciumire ku aluka githega kinjira mami thitima ni cionire ku nie ngithie rũĩ ngiuga Ngai kai Ngai wikaga magegania atia.
His power project has positively impacted the lives of many, including businessmen who are grateful to him for literally lighting up their lives.